Do you want to use some background in your Zoom meeting? So here you can see I am also using some background here. You can see here is my hand and there is a background. So you can set this background on your Zoom. So that's so simple. Just follow our steps so you can use background. Now open Zoom app on your computer or laptop and then log in with your account ID. And now click on your profile icon and then go to settings, and new window will pop up, and now click on background and effects. Here you can see all of effects is showing virtual backgrounds. All of this six background effect is defaults. You can add some more. Here you can see I am just using this here, and here you can see my finger, and here is you can see I am using earth background and showing here, and here this one is blur, and this one is San Francisco. Here you can see how it's look like, and this one is green, and again earth, and then northern lights, and last one is beach. So this is the default background, so you can use any if you want. And here you can use, if you want some more effects, you can add image or video. Here you can see I just add the image. Here you can see I just add a new image, how it's look like. You can use any custom image if you want, or video. So that's so easy. So this effect is very good. So if you have a green screen, and then you can use, I have a green screen. If you have a green screen in your background, then you can use this option, and this option is very good if you have green screen. But if you don't have green screen, then don't use it. So I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to use background and effects. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. Thanks. Goodbye.